Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to do a test order Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, how do we do a test order? Well, it's actually pretty easy. So the first thing we need to do here is we need to access our settings. Now the bottom left of your screen, go ahead and click on settings. And from here, we want to go to payments. Now from here, if this is the first time that you're setting up your payments here, this is the first thing that you'll see here. Now in this case, when you click on see all other providers here, you'll have the option to choose the bogus gateway. Now bogus gateway here is a great way for you to start testing for purchases. In this case, let's go ahead and select this one. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to set this up. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to fill out some details. So it's going to say, let us know why you're deactivating Shopify payments. Now in this case, you could basically choose whatever here. So in this case, I'll be choosing other. And for example, I'm going to just say for testing purposes. And from here, you can go and click on activate. Now from here, this will actually activate the bogus gateway here. Now you'll be able to basically start testing your shop here. So you have the information here. So for example, the following codes in place of credit card numbers when checking out. So for example, 1 is for simulate approved transactions, 2 for declined transactions, and 3 for simulate gateway failure. In this case, if you want to use a different payment method for testing purposes, what you need to do is you need to set it up properly. So typically, if you set up a payment or the main payment section in your shop here, typically they would have a testing mode here. So it's going to be at the very bottom when you open up your testing page or the payment page itself. In this case, let's go and visit our store and see if that actually works. So let's go ahead and visit. We're clicking on the eye icon on the team here. And from here, let's go ahead and go to our catalog. So we have shirt here. Let's go and select this one. Now from here, let's go and click on buy it now. Now in this case, you could go to your cart at the top right here. Now, by the way, you can only test your shop or your Shopify store if you have a plan. Now, if you don't have a plan on Shopify, you might get some issues or some errors or notifications here. So in this case, you might need to get a plan first. They actually offer a $1 monthly fee for the first month here. In this case, once you've done that, let's go and click on checkout. And from here, what we need to do is fill out all the necessary details here. In this case, we have the contact details, the delivery mode option here, the address, the first name, and all of those details. So in this case, let's go and fill out those details. Now, once you provided all the details here, let's go ahead and go to the very bottom here and make sure that you input the correct card number, like what we saw before. So since we want to have a successful one, let's go and choose one here, and let's go ahead and click on the Pay Now option. Now it's going to say thank you, so your order has now been confirmed. In this case, once you actually go back to your store here and go to orders, as you can see, we now have a test order that we could basically tweak in here. In this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.